Hey, what's up you guys? It's Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see by the title of today's video, we are doing a full unboxing of the entire Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collection, bundle, whatever. So, in front of me, I am so excited because I have my pink box with all the goodies inside of it. Guys, I received this last night, November 18th, and I am filming this now because this is the only chance I had to film. You don't know how much I have contained myself from digging into this box and opening it all up because I'm so excited. I am so excited. I bought the full makeup collection and the mirror, and I cannot contain my excitement. Okay, so as you can see by today's vibe and look, we're doing something very nice and casual. Hair is up in a bun, there's no makeup, I have skincare on, I have nice moisturizers, and that's it. Because I just wanted to do an unboxing, a first impressions, just of everything, of the packaging, of the feel, of how everything is everything down to every single little detail that I can possibly show you. And then in my next upcoming videos, I will be doing makeup looks, using the mini controversy, using the whole conspiracy palette. I'm just so excited for all the looks I can create. So with that being said, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below so you can see everything that I'm going to do with this collection. Also, make sure to hit the like button if you want to see more unboxings from any new makeup drops that happen. Now, we can go ahead and dive in to the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson conspiracy collection. I have my scissors because I am ready. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually cutting. Oop, we don't want to rip any fun tissue paper. There's a couple more things that I want to get from the collection, but I did just want to start off with the full bundle and the mirror. Everything else that I want to get it later on with the restock for next year. Oh good, I didn't destroy any of the pretty tissue paper. So when we open her up, this is what she looks like. It's just a bunch of tissue paper. I'm gonna start just taking things out like it's Christmas. So, oh my god, there's so much tissue paper because they packaged everything so nicely. There's just so much tissue paper. First thing that I see when I remove all of this tissue paper is the conspiracy collection makeup bag. So this makeup bag actually retails for $30 and it came part of the makeup bundle. I've never owned any Jeffree accessories, so I've never felt any quality or anything. So it's so cute. It has the Shane Dawson and Jeffree little tag. The makeup bag is big. It's bigger than my face. What? It is so cute. It has the pigs and the Jeffree logo. It has the pig in the front with a little protective cover. Everything is black. The zipper is a nice black color. The pig is on there. Oh my god, the little zippers are the little pigs. How cute. Let me open her up real quick to see. And it has this. Oh, I didn't even know it had this zipper up here. It has a mesh zipper up here. And then it has a lot of space to put stuff in. So that's the first thing. I am so excited. That is beautiful. All right, so the next thing, what is this? This is the Shane Dawson x Jeffree Star palette bundle. So the palette is in this tissue paper. This tissue paper is so pretty. It's Jeffree Star and Shane logo all around. Even the sticker. Every single detail was thought of. It is crazy. Everybody has seen the packaging. Oh, it comes in bubble wrap too. Everybody has seen the packaging everywhere. This is nothing new. This is nothing crazy, but this is my initial reaction to seeing it in person, getting a feel for the size, getting a feel for the material, and Okay, so like this is the conspiracy collection. Wow, she's thick, she's beautiful, she's mesmerizing. Look at her too long and you're gonna get hypnotized. This is so nice. We'll open her up right now. I think we're gonna start off with the mini controversy. Dude, let me tell you, this packaging, like, it looks beautiful, but when you see it in pictures and in videos or whatever, it does not look like the way it feels. It feels like gritty, but not like rough. It just feels like nice and smooth and gritty, but it's not like a regular, like, you know, like a regular box. Like, they even thought of that, which is crazy. So everybody has seen the mini controversy, and this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. I am a sucker for packaging. So when they were doing this in the episodes and they were like discussing packaging and doing everything, I was like, yes, yes, yes. So this is, oh, it feels so nice. Fun fact, these are actually the first Jeffree eyeshadows I personally own. I own Jeffree highlighters and Jeffree lipsticks, but I had never bought an eyeshadow palette, and this is amazing to start off. So this is the mini controversy. It has the beautiful holographic static, and bum, ba, da, da. Whoa, it is so pretty. Look at her. That is gorgeous. And it has the mirror, the logo, like, oh, it's just so beautiful. So I also got the lip bundle. So heartbroken that it didn't come in the pig, but it's fine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Everything is here. Okay. So we have this is not the 6 liquid lipstick shades. So we have, let's see, Oh My God, which is a beautiful pink. I Gotta Go, which is like a metallic bronze. Ryland, which is a metallic pink. We have Shane, Iconic. It is basically like a grayish, bronzy, metallic, weird, totally Shane shade. We have the most wearable, Are You Filming, which is a bright red for Andrew. And we have Jeffree, What the Fuck, and this is the pink, hot pink shade. Gorgeous. And then we got the Mother Gloss. So the gloss is iconic. I think the packaging is so beautiful. It's very similar to Jeffree's regular gloss packaging, but like, whoa, it's just so much better because it is Shane Dawson. Ah! Oh yes, this is she. This is the gloss. Oh, I should have taken it out from the top. It's fine. This is the gloss. Do you see how beautiful that is? Like, do you see how shiny that is? And then how clear it is? Look at that packaging though. Like, are you kidding me? Yes. Thank you very much. Now, the scent. Yep. Root beer. You know, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not the biggest fan of root beer. I don't really like root beer, but I love Shane that much. He has made such an impact in the YouTube industry. I will support him wherever he goes and whatever he does. And this gloss in smelling like root beer and all the other shades smelling like root beer, I'll deal with it. Now the next little baby that we have is Jeffree's first lip balm formula. This is called Diet Shane. I love it. It's in a little lipstick bullet. It feels a little more lightweight than what it looks like because it looks like a metal bullet, like seriously. But it is like a lighter plastic, which is nice. It's fine. It's so pretty though. Like, how cute is that? And then, bam, Diet Shane. Smells like root beer. This, I will give it a try. Ooh, it does feel nice and creamy. The root beer scent is not overwhelming at all. So if you don't like scented lip balms or anything, even though this scent, like, it's like a scent of root beer when you smell it, when it's on your lips, you don't smell it at all. At least in my opinion. So that's a win. So I took out all the lipsticks out of their packaging and wow, iconic. So I've tried Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick formula before, and I know that it's good. Listen, you can think whatever you want about Jeffree. You can have your own personal opinions, think whatever you want, but the guy knows makeup and he knows makeup formulas, and his lipsticks are amazing. His palette, we'll see, but honestly, I'm not expecting bad quality at all. Like, he knows formula and he knows quality. And think whatever you want, but the man knows what the people want. Now, these colors are a little strange. And for me, I literally wear nude in every single picture, video. Like, if you guys have watched me, you know the nude is my thing. Like, I don't really venture out into anything. Like, maybe every once in a while I'll do like a dark plum, maybe a red, but it's just not my vibe. But Shane, these colors are not for everybody, but these colors are for Shane. Like, if you know Shane and you love Shane and you like whatever, you know that the color story for the palette, the color story for the lips, the names, everything is just, it's him. It's him and it's Jeffree, and it's both of their journeys combined, and it's amazing. Take this one, this is Jeffree What the Fuck, and look at that. Gunmetal top with the hot pink accessories. Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in white. It's just, everything just looks gorgeous. Even this cardigan is gorgeous. Like, it has so much detail. It has the name, it has the static. The box feels great. I don't even want to throw away the box. But yes, those are all the lipsticks and the glosses and lip balms. And then the next, and actually the final thing in the box is, ay que lindo, look at this postcard. Let's see, oh, okay, we have Jeffree and Shane, and then bam, the conspiracy palette, which we will be getting into right now. One more thing. So this is the iconic Jeffree Star. Hi, how are ya? This is the pig mirror, and wow, it is so light. Like, what the? I did not expect it to be this light, sis. Let me tell you, it better be worth it. But it is so, it's so nice. I want to get the pink one. I got the black one. Okay, why can't I open this? I gotta pull that out first. Okay, so this is the mirror. So iconic, so beautiful. Oh my God, so much more beautiful in person. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. This is the pig mirror. I love it. Oh my God, I freaking love it. It is plastic. It is super HD quality mirror. Look at that. Even on the handle, it has the Shane Dawson logo. Are you kidding me? Hi, how are ya? This is so iconic. It's so big. I love that it's so lightweight. It's so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so I'm inserting this because I apologize. I actually did not get my initial reaction to the conspiracy palette. I realized now that I'm editing this video that I did not press record for my initial reaction. So I'm so sorry, but my initial reaction is basically like everything else in the collection that you've seen, and it is just that I am obsessed, that I think this packaging is beautiful. Everything is just so well thought out. So I'm actually gonna go in and open it for you guys. We have the actual conspiracy palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like, wow, so much detail. Look at this tiny Jeffree logo. The metal detailing on this is beautiful. Okay, I rather just insert this in flash so you guys can see the, look at Diet Cola, guys. What in the world? Like, just a theory spiraling. Trisha, are you kidding me? Sleep paralysis is everything. I just watched it. It's actually beautiful. So this is basically what the palette looks like. Hey, what's up? And yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so freaking much. I'm so excited to do so many looks. But yes, soft touch, so it does get dirty pretty quickly. but it's fine. It is very, very sturdy. I actually am obsessed. I'm so sorry I couldn't get my initial reaction, but you guys get the idea of my excitement. I finished unboxing the whole conspiracy collection. I did buy this whole collection to support Shane because I've been invested in the series. I've been invested in Shane, and I love Jeffree's makeup formula. I really, really do. So I wanted to support both of them. And I'm just so excited that I finally got my hands on the conspiracy collection. Okay, you guys, so that completes today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed my reactions to everything. I know it was a little crazy. I'm a little overly excited. I swear, when I purchased this collection, I cried. But it's just what makeup does. Like, makeup just gets me so happy, gets me so inspired, it gets me so like riled up and so excited for the future. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am so sorry for my appearance. I promise next video I will look a little bit more put together. Plus, I will be using the conspiracy collection. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the red button down below, and like this video so you can see more unboxings, more hauls, more makeup tutorials, more lifestyle videos. I am so excited to bring more content now for the end of the year. And yes, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!